Waking to these sounds again, I wonder how I'll sleep. Passing out is taking off into the stubborn deep. I'd like to meet a human who makes it all seem clear, to work out all these cycles and why I'm standing here.
So what particular boat is this that you have, Pauline, that I see you purchased?
Famous Seafire.
And who makes those then?
Almarine.
Okay. And what sort of length boat is this one then?
It's a whopping great 128 inches.
Would you say that was about 10'6"?
Yeah, I would. 10
I
to
see.
6.
Okay. Now, what is the first stage of the restoration process?
Well, I probably have it in my hand actually.
I'd like to meet a madman who makes it all seem sane, to work out all these troubles and what there is to gain. I'm falling over and over and over and over again now, falling over and over and over and over again.
Any words about the restoration process, or?
Not many words to say really. I was just saying we've got just cut all back from the UV.
This little thing here, is that really necessary to the running of the thing? I mean, that's an add-on, isn't it?
Eh?
That's an add-on, isn't it? That little thing, yeah.
But I personally leave it.
Right. Yeah. Right. So okay. So as soon as the engine's ready to go, then we're ready to roll then. Yeah. Fantastic.
Is gone, I'm falling over and over and over and over again now, calling over and over and over and over again now, over and over and over and over again now, calling over and over and over and over again.
So Pauline, I hear the Seafire project is nearly coming to an end and it's nearly ready for the water.
Yes, it is. Hopefully this weekend.
Okay. And what's been the best part of the project for you? Would you say so far?
Watching all the little bits come together.
Uh-huh.
Having the boat polished, having the engine tested and put onto the boat, having all the controls connected and the repair to the controls, and basically it coming together as a nice little boat.
I see. Okay. And have there been any difficult moments with this project?
A few, but the engineers at Trident have sorted them out.
Okay. And do you think the engine is a little bit too big or too small for the boat? What do you think?
It'll be spot on, 30 horsepower. Yeah, it'll be nice.
Okay.
Flocking to the sea, crowds of people wait for me. Seagulls scavenge still ice cream, worries vanish within my dream. I lift my soul there, down by the sea. I lost control here, living free. I lift my soul there, down by the sea. I lost control here, living free.
So what do you think of the Seafire experience so far then, Bern?
Well, I think it seems a lot quicker than what I remember because I was so young at the time when I had to go on one.
Yeah.
Past the shore, no singing, Mayday anymore. The sun is shining, the water's clear. Just you and I walk along the pier. I left my soul there, down by the sea. Lost control.
enjoy that then, Bern?
That's very good for you, yeah. Like I said, it's a long time since I've driven a boat.
Yeah.
By the sea, I lost control.
So, Father, you're the joint owner of the company that made these boats. So, what do you think of them now after 40 years?
Oh, well, they still seem to be going strong.
Yeah.
With tender, loving care that you put into it.
Okay. And what about the design of the boat?
Well, the designer John Neat was very competent.
A cool breeze flows behind the wasp. Some get stung, it's worth the